Mayaman sila kasi hindi sila honest. Sa kabilang video, I talked about how sometimes parents with good intentions affect their kids' money blueprint negatively, di ba? Na-bankrupt ang business ng parents ko nung nasa high school ako. Nakita ng father ko na super lungkot namin. Kaya to console us, sinabi niya na it's okay to be poor, basta honest tayo. Itinuturo pa niya dati yung kapitbahay namin. And he said that kaya sila mayaman dahil manloloko sila. So after getting married and kumayod kaming mag-asawa ng gusto, nag-improve naman ang buhay namin, especially after we started our business. Pero kung alam nyo ang kwento ko, you would have heard about nung sangkatutak na hirap at utang na na-experience namin. Hindi naman kami maluho, hindi naman kami magarbo, pero hindi namin maintindihan kung bakit hirap kami sa mga kaperahan namin. I only understood why when in one of the exercises in the 3-day Millionaire Mind Intensive event, I remembered this memory of my father. May unconscious belief pala ako na ang mga mayaman ay puro dishonest. And because I want to be an honest person, I was unconsciously wasting money in ways na hindi naman nakakatulong sa amin. Thankfully, natutunan namin kung paano magbago ang mga paniniwala na ito. Kaya, if you are interested to know how, let me know below, okay?